Think you know Las Vegas? Think again. Sure, it's famous for its dazzling casinos and neon lights, but there's a whole other side to Sin City that will blow your mind. If Las Vegas isn't on your bucket list yet, grab a pen. You're about to change that. Today, we're diving into 3 unforgettable experiences you can't miss. Any guess what they might be? Stay tuned, and let's find out together.
And where travel?
Vida.
Hi, I'm Chris with Travel Vida. Ready to break free from the ordinary? Join me as we dive into world wonders, savor exotic flavors, and chase breathtaking views. One forgettable adventure at a time. Let's explore the world together.
1. The Las Vegas concert experience. Of course, you can enjoy a concert anywhere in the world, but experiencing one in Las Vegas is something else. Not for nothing are there permanent shows and concerts here with that unmistakable Vegas charm. Many legendary artists have made Vegas their home for long-term residencies. Britney Spears famously brought her Piece of Me show to Planet Hollywood, redefining what a modern Vegas residency could look like with elaborate costumes, choreography, and immersive production. Other icons like Celine Dion, Elton John, and Lady Gaga have also made their mark, turning Vegas into a global hub for world-class music and performances. On this trip, I went with my mom to see Maroon 5 at the Dolby Live Theater, part of their limited residency. The venue itself was incredible, designed to give every seat an amazing view and the best sound quality. The concert was unforgettable. We sang along to every hit, danced like no one was watching, and were blown away by the stunning lights, graphics, and overall production.
Night after night, all over the world playing this song for people, is that it means something different to every single person that enjoys this song. For whatever reason it is, that they hold on to when they hear us sing it. We just want to say thank you guys so much for making this song so special to so many people.
It was everything you'd expect from a Las Vegas-style concert, larger than life and polished to perfection, leaving us with memories to cherish. A walk on Fremont Street. Fremont Street in Las Vegas is one of the coolest places I've ever seen. Known as the birthplace of Las Vegas and the city's original entertainment district, it dates back to 1905, when Las Vegas was founded. By 1925, Fremont became the city's first paved road and quickly turned into a hub for gambling and entertainment, with iconic establishments. In the 1940s and 1950s, Fremont Street gained fame as a backdrop for Hollywood films, with its dazzling neon signs symbolizing the glitz and glamour of early Vegas, earning it the nickname Glitter Gulch. However, as the Strip developed south of the city in the 1950s and 60s, Fremont faced competition and began to lose prominence. To revitalize the area, the Fremont Street experience was introduced in 1995, transforming 5 blocks into a pedestrian-only zone with the now famous LED Viva Vision canopy, which dazzles visitors with stunning light shows synchronized to music. This innovation brought new life to the area, blending vintage Vegas charm with modern entertainment. Today, Fremont Street offers a vibrant mix of activities and attractions that celebrates the history of Old Vegas while delivering an unforgettable, contemporary experience. Fremont Street features multiple stages where live bands and performers play everything from rock and pop to blues and country. The music is free to enjoy, and the energy from the performances keeps the atmosphere alive all night. The street is full of talented artists, from magicians and acrobats to costume characters and dancers. And every few steps, you'll find something new to watch.
I want to take a quick second to thank our sponsor, Cruiser Travels. Cruiser Travels makes trips like this possible with discounted group rates, exclusive perks, only provided by Cruiser Travels' knowledgeable and service-focused agents committed to sourcing the best deals in the industry. They won't be beat. Tell them Travel Vida sent you for an extra gift. The link is in the description below.
The energy here never stops, making it a must-visit destination that captures the history of Old Vegas while delivering a modern, high-energy experience. And the best thing about Fremont Street is that it is completely free for those who are traveling in a budget, making it a must-visit destination that celebrates the history of Old Vegas. For the thrill seekers can soar above the crowds on the Slotzilla zipline, which has 2 levels, the seated zipline at 77 feet, and the superhero-style zoom line at 114 feet. It's an unforgettable way to see the entire Fremont Street experience from above. 3, hopping on the High Roller. All right, so we're heading to one of my favorite attractions in Las Vegas, the High Roller. This massive observation wheel, located at the LinQ Promenade, is 550 feet tall and gives you the most incredible views of the city. It's such a unique way to experience Vegas, whether you're seeing the glittering strip at night or the sprawling city and desert during the day. It's not my first time riding the High Roller, but this time, I'm bringing my mom along for the experience. It never stops amazing me. The views, the heights, everything about it. What's cool is that depending on which side of the cabin you're standing on, you get a totally different perspective. On one side, you'll see the residential areas of Las Vegas. On the other, you get the entertainment district with all the iconic hotels and casinos laid out like a postcard, which is a fascinating contrast. The ride itself is about 30 minutes and it's super smooth. You can just relax in the glass-enclosed cabin and take it all in. And if you're feeling fancy, they even have an open bar option so you can sip cocktails while enjoying the view.
Welcome to the High Roller. Couple quick rules, I'm sure you read them, we're gonna go real quick with them, okay? First thing is, 1 drink per person at a time. They're small cups, I have nothing else to do, keep me busy, right? Second thing is, no shots, knees, or rocks pours. That being said, it's a company policy, not a my house policy, and now it is my house. So, you guys take care of me, I take care of you, right? We'll see how that goes.
Whether you're here for the daytime panoramas or the neon magic at night, the High Roller is such a fun and unforgettable experience. Highly recommend it. Ticket prices typically range from $23 to $40 depending on the time of day, with nighttime rides being a bit more expensive. But here's the good news. There are special deals available. Kids from age 4 to 12, seniors, locals, and veterans can enjoy discounted rates, making it an even better reason to hop on and take in the breathtaking 360-degree views of the Strip. Make sure to check online or at the ticket counter for these exclusive offers before you go. Don't forget to check my full High Roller experience on the Travel Vita channel. And that wraps up our tour of some of the best experiences you absolutely need to try in Las Vegas. From unforgettable concerts to the history-packed Fremont Street and jaw-dropping views from the High Roller, this city truly has something for everyone. If you enjoyed this vlog, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more travel adventures, and leave me a comment about your favorite Vegas experience. Until next time, keep exploring.